Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. We recently gave our guest restroom a little refresh and we selected this Fransiton Waterfall faucet with a matte black finish as our upgrade. We have been so happy with the features of it and we want to share those with you. First of all, the design is absolutely stunning. The black finish and modern style really is a great contrast against our lighter countertop and backsplash. So it doesn't just blend into the room, it really serves as a focal point that gives our simple bathroom vanity a quick upgrade. Next, the waterfall spout. I love that it mimics the natural flow of water. It's really soothing, whether I'm washing my hands or my face, and it gives just the right amount of pressure and water without making a mess. And lastly, it was so easy to install. We did a quick DIY swap out with little time and just a couple of tools. I also thought it was so thoughtful that Fransiton sent a handy little tool so that we could reach into the tight space underneath the faucet to make sure that it was tightened just right and we won't have any problems with leaks or rusting in the future. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to give your bathroom a quick facelift, this Fransiton waterfall faucet is an excellent choice. And that's my point of view.